Hello babies, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe. So today I am going to teach you forward and backward counting. So let's start. So I am going to teach you forward and backward counting through a story. So let's begin. So children, once upon a time there was a boy named Chiku lived in a village with his mother. Okay. One day his mother told him to buy some fruits from the market. But children, there was a river in the way to the market. When Mika reached the river, so he thought that how to cross the river. Okay. Suddenly he saw some stone in the river. Okay. So he thought I can cross the river with the help of this stone. Okay. So he started crossing the river with the help of these stone. Okay. So he goes on one one stone, then two, then third, then four, then five, then six, then seven, then eight, then nine, then 10, and finally reach the market. Okay. So children, we observe that Chiku goes forward direction. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we go 1 to 10, it's called forward direction. Okay. 2 is 1 more than 1, 3 is 1 more than 2, 4 is 1 more than 3. Okay. So he goes forward direction. It's called forward counting. Okay. When we go front to back or top to bottom, it's called forward counting. When we go front to back or top to bottom, is called forward counting. Okay. When we go 11 to 20 or 20 to 30, it's called forward counting. Okay. Let's know about backward counting. Okay. Finally, Mika reached to the market and he brought some fresh fruit from the market, and then he started going towards his house. Okay. फिर ये अपने घर को वापस जाने लगा. ठीक है, ये घर को अपने वापस जाएगा. तो he goes 10, then 9, then 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So children, we observe that he goes back to front. Okay, he goes back to front. Okay, ये कैसे गया? Back to front. So it's called backward counting. Okay, it's called backward counting. Okay, when we go back to front or bottom to top, it's called backward counting. Okay, so backward counting में ये कैसे गया? पहले ये 10 पे गया, फिर 9, फिर 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then 1. Okay, ये ऐसे गया है ना. So when we go back to front and bottom to top, it's called backward counting. Okay, let's see some example. So children, here is a dog named Tommy and he is walking on the road. Suddenly he noticed some boxes kept on the road. So he wants to jump on the boxes. So he started jumping 11, 12, 13, 14, and he started singing a song, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la. Doggy Tommy scared because here is a monster. Okay, then he go back. Okay, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. Okay children, so we observe that when Tommy goes 11 number to 20, it's called forward counting, and then Tommy goes back 20 number to 11, it's called backward counting. Okay children, hope you understand forward counting and backward counting. So let's do some exercises to understand forward and backward counting. So children, here are two caterpillar and we have to fill 1 to 10 in forward counting and this in backward counting. But remember that children, in forward counting we always go ahead. हम लोग हमेशा आगे आगे बढ़ते हैं ना, 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, and in backward counting हम लोग हमेशा पीछे से आगे जाते हैं ना, पीछे नंबर से आगे नंबर पे जाते हैं. Okay, जैसे 10 to 1, 20 to 1, 100 to 1 and so on. Okay, so let's do it. So here we fill in forward counting. So here we will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. तो हम लोग इसमें आगे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं ना, एक एक नंबर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. 2 is 1 more than 1, 3 is 1 more than 2, 4 is 1 more than 3 and so on. Okay, let's we will fill here in backward counting. Backward counting में हमेशा पीछे नंबर से आगे नंबर की ओर आते हैं, है ना. तो हम लोग यहाँ सबसे पहले क्या भरेंगे, सबसे पीछे कौन सा नंबर है, 10. सो वी विल फिल हियर 10, फिर 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. ओके, देखा आपने कि हम लोग पिछले नंबर से अगले नंबर पे गए, तो उसे हम लोग कहेंगे बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. तो आप बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में हमेशा आप 100 से 1 लिख सकते हो या 20 से 1 लिख सकते हो या कुछ भी and so on. Okay, so let's practice some exercise more. Okay, so babies, let's do it. Okay, count backward from 20 and fill in the missing number. So here is number 20. So what comes before 20? 19. Okay, and what's come before 19? 18, 17, 17 before 16. Okay, then what's come before 16? 15, then 14, 13, 12, 11, and what's come before 11? 10. Okay, then 9, 8, 7, 6 is already written here. Then 6, what number comes before 6? 5. So we will write here 5. Then 4, then 3, then 2, and finally here written 1. Okay, this is backward counting. Okay, so here is 19 is 1 less than 20, 18 is 1 less than 19, 70 is 1 less than 18, 16 is 1 less than 17 and so on. Okay, hope you understand babies backward counting. Let's see some more example. Okay, so babies, let's do it. So राइट ईच मिसिंग नंबर. ओके, यहाँ पे 2 एक्सरसाइज दिया है, आपको मिसिंग नंबर भरने हैं. सो पहले आपको देखना है कि किसमें फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग भरने और किसमें बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग भरने. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. हियर इज 21 नंबर एंड हियर इज 25. सो ये नंबर बढ़ रहा है ना, 25 है, 30 है, 31 है, ये नंबर क्या हो रहा है, आगे आगे बढ़ रहा है. सो वी विल फिल हियर फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. ओके, सो 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 is written already here. Then 26, after 26, 27, after 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, here written 31 already. So we will fill here 32, 33, 34, 35, after 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So ये क्या है, फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग है. ओके, हम लोग आगे आगे एक नंबर बढ़ रहे हैं, है ना. सो 22 इज 1 मोर देन 21, 23 इज 1 मोर देन 22, 24 इज 1 मोर देन 23. ऐसे हम लोग एक एक आगे बढ़ रहे हैं ना, तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. ओके, अब इसे देखते हैं, इसमें क्या करना है. हियर इज 50, ओके, एंड 45. तो 45 इज लेस देन 50. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग भरेंगे. ओके, सो 50. आप सो चिल्ड्रेन, व्हाट नंबर कम्स बिफोर 50? हु टेल मी? 49. So we will write here 49. And what number comes before 49? 48. Okay, then 47, 46 already written here. Then what number comes before 46? 45. Okay, then 44 already written here. Then what number comes before 44? 43 and 42 and 41. This is backward counting. Okay, हम लोग पीछे नंबर से आगे नंबर पे आए, है ना. तो इसे बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग कहते हैं. और फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग में आगे नंबर से हम लोग आगे एक एक नंबर बढ़ते जाएंगे, है ना. आगे नंबर से लास्ट नंबर तक जहां आपको लिखना है उस नंबर तक. ठीक है, उसे फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग कहेंगे. और बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग उसे कहेंगे जब हम लास्ट नंबर से पहले नंबर पे आएंगे. ठीक है. Hope you children understand. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye babies.